Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics, and specifically a tool that helps us unlock the secrets of inheritance, Punnett squares. Think of them as magic windows that give us a sneak peek into the possible traits of future generations. Imagine you're baking a cake and you have recipes for different flavors like chocolate or vanilla. Just like those recipes determine the cake's taste, genes determine our traits like eye color or hair color. Now, a Punnett square is like a simple chart that helps us predict the different combinations of genes an offspring might inherit from their parents. It's like mixing and matching those cake recipes to see what flavors you might get. Intrigued? Let's unravel more about these genetic blueprints in the next section. Before we fully decode Punnett squares, let's understand two key terms, genotype and phenotype. Think of genotype as the secret code hidden within your cells, written in the language of DNA. It's the actual combination of genes you inherit from your parents. Now, phenotype is the visible outcome of that secret code. It's how those genes express themselves in your appearance or characteristics. For example, your genotype might carry the genes for both brown and blue eyes, but your phenotype is the eye color you actually have. Let's say sparkling brown eyes. It's like having a blueprint, genotype for a building, and the actual constructed building is your phenotype. The blueprint holds the instructions, but the final appearance depends on how those instructions are translated into reality. Ready to see Punnett squares in action? Let's move on to the next section. Let's imagine a field of beautiful flowers. We have some with purple petals and some with white petals. Let's say the gene for purple petals, let's call it P, is dominant over the gene for white petals, P. Now imagine crossing a purple flower, PEEP, with a white flower, PP. We can use a Punnett square to predict the possible gene combinations of their offspring. We place the genes from one parent across the top of the square and the genes from the other parent along the side. Then we fill in each box with the combination of letters it intersects. Looking at our square, we see there's a 50% chance of offspring inheriting PP, purple petals, and a 50% chance of inheriting PP, white petals. The Punnett square helps us visualize the probability of different traits being passed down. It's like flipping a coin. You have a 50-50 chance of landing on heads or tails. Punnett squares help us calculate those chances for genetic inheritance. Punnett squares might seem like simple charts, but they hold immense power. They're not just about predicting flower colors. They're used in various fields like medicine, agriculture, and even conservation. Scientists use Punnett squares to study genetic disorders, understand how traits are passed down through generations, and even develop new varieties of crops with desirable characteristics. Understanding Punnett squares gives us the tools to make informed decisions about our health, the food we eat, and the future of our planet. It's about understanding the intricate connections between genes, traits, and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. So keep those Punnett squares handy, because you never know when they might come in handy for unraveling the mysteries of genetics.